Hey guys, the temperatures are starting to cool down. We're headed into September now. The kids are excited to go back to school and summer is coming to an end. It definitely has a fall feel out here. We started the day off today, I think around 12 degrees, which is cool for us, and it will warm up again, but it gives us that sense of fall is coming. So on to a new season in the garden. And I thought on this nice cool day, we'll go out to the cornfield and check and see if we can harvest some corn stalks and get them dried out and ready for our fall decorating when the time comes. I'm by no means ready for summer to end, but with the cooler temperatures, it's definitely starting to feel a lot more like fall. So we have a beautiful cornfield here this year. Normally we have potatoes or wheat, but this year we have corn. We're welcome to as much of it as we want. My name is Bonnie, this is Artist in a Garden. Today I'm going to cut down some corn stalks and harvest them, get them ready to dry out for some of my fall decorating.
Open up the window, I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September.
Well, that didn't take very long at all. I have about 20 corn stalks just harvested from the edge of the cornfield here, and you'd never know the difference. So we have more than enough corn stalks to harvest from. Sorry, I'm out of breath. That's heavy. Corn stalks are quite heavy. I'm going to get these bundled up and I'm going to set them over by the greenhouse for now, and they'll have a chance to dry out, and then I can use them for my fall decorating. Oh, that's heavy.
I remember all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there.
So I'm bundling all my little corn stalks into about 5 or 6 corn stalks in each bundle, and I'm just setting them up on the corners of my greenhouse for now to let them dry out until they're ready for my fall decorating.
I wonder where they're going, the flight of swallows sailing through the sky. There's no way of knowing, but maybe someplace far from you and I. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one
guys, that was a pretty easy project. Going to harvest some corn stalks. I've set them here beside my greenhouse. I've just tied them in bundles with some twine that I had, and they will sit here and dry out until it's ready to decorate for our fall decorating, which will be here before you know it. We have lots of cooler temperatures right now, but I'm not quite ready for summer to be over just yet. My name is Bonnie. This is Artist in a Garden. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Let me know what your favorite fall decorating is from the garden. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.
Dancing through the last days of September.